We welcome you most warmly here at the JSE. This is a very important event for us to welcome Schroder's Real Estate Investment Trust to our main board. But it's also a very interesting event because simultaneous with our event here is the primary listing of this Real Estate Investment Trust in London. And our job this morning is to make sure that all our guests from Schroder's have much more fun than their colleagues that are doing the listing in London, number one. And number two, that we make a lot more noise in our welcome that they do in London as well. So we want to make sure that the listing on the JSE is something that is remembered forever. So Tony and guests, from our perspective, I welcome you warmly on behalf of the JSE, on behalf of our CEO, Nikki Newton-King, who wanted to be here this morning, but she's traveling overseas, and all 500 of us who work here on the exchange. And to say that this Real Estate Investment Trust has been, the listing of which has been very much anticipated. There's been a lot of media coverage around this, and you are the 38th company to list in this sector on the JSE. And I think what's very important to note is that investments in real estate investment trusts are still extremely popular with our investors in South Africa. And this is what appeals to our investors here, the fact that it's a rand hedge, and also that the returns are anticipated to be relatively high and growing. So I think that you hit the nail on the head in terms of what investors are looking for in South Africa.
Good morning, everyone. So I'd just like to start off by saying a big congratulations to Tony and Doug and the team for a great and successful listing. You know, I think Schroder's is a fantastic global brand, and I think it was well supported by the South African market, and as Donna said, there was certainly lots of appetite, and guys, we look forward to watching you grow, to hitting your targets that you've set out in the prospectus, and we look forward to guiding you through that process and being part of your growth.
Good morning, everybody. We feel very special to be here. What a welcome. We're absolutely delighted to have listed on Johannesburg Stock Exchange. The simultaneous listing with London is a really special event for Schroders and a very significant event for our company. We are building a presence here, and we are taking this market very seriously. It's been an absolute delight to work with the JSE and to work with our advisors in this market, PSG, who have showed us exactly why they are as successful as they are. Clearly, they know this market extremely well, and we're very proud and privileged to have worked with PSG and the JSE. So thank you to everybody for their support in making this listing a reality. We are seeing growth returning to the major markets of continental Europe, the big cities. It's a theme of urbanization, demographics, demographic change generally, and improving infrastructure across these markets. What we're seeing is that growth is returning to these markets now quite quickly. We have investments in these markets already. We're looking to develop further business in these markets to get to an institutional grade product that is for the long run. So this is a commitment from Schroders to build a business here. It's a commitment to this strategy, and we are thoroughly delighted that the investors have backed us as a group, as a business, as a team to develop this product in South Africa as well as in the UK.
It was our first time that we had to stop a share from going into an auction this morning. So as you know, JSE normally runs from 8:30 till 9 o'clock, and we go into a continuous trading session. We had to take this stock and extend its opening auction for when you can enter these orders all the way till 10 o'clock, obviously because of the legal ramifications of the London market. So it was quite exciting from a systems perspective on our side as well. So we'll be looking at the screen this morning, so there's a lot more activity on it than usual. If you look at the tickers moving already, you can see that the market is open. In fact, it's just the Schroder share that is not trading at the moment.
3, 2, 1.